Hello friends, welcome to Abhiyanvi tutorials. So today in this video we will see how to go into the subdirectories in a directory. Okay. For example, I have a directory here in C drive Python exercise. So I have folders, folder 1 and it is having two folders, folder 1-1, folder 1-2. Okay. And here folder 1-1-1 and a test file is there. Similarly in folder 2, I have folder 2-1. Okay, and in folder 3 I have folder 3-1 and in that folder 3-1-1 is there. Okay, so my goal is to go into the all subdirectories and print the folder names. Okay, so I want to print all these folders, folder 1, then folder 1-1, folder 1-2 and folder 1-1-1. Okay, so how to go into the subdirectories in the directory. Okay, let's start the code. Import OS. Okay, import OS and the directory is, let's say my directory is C drive Python exercise, right? Okay, Python exercise. So this is my directory. Okay, so I have to use the command os.walk directory. Okay, so os.walk, okay, directory. Okay, so let's see what it will give the output. So let's say print, okay, list comprehension x for x in os.walk directory. Okay, let's see the output here. So I have a wrong command here, brackets error. Okay, just put bracket, list comprehension bracket first, next print. Okay, again I forgotten bracket here. Okay, so let's see the output here. So it is giving all. So this is the path, basic path it has given in the, it is returning with the tuples. Okay, this Python exercise and the second number of the tuple is folder 1, folder 2, folder 3 and the files inside. Okay guys, so like that it is returning tuples. Okay, so we have to get the folder names. We are not interested in all these other things. Okay, we want folder names. So just give the x of 0. Okay, then it will give the all folder names to us like this. Okay, this is the basic path and this is the folder 1. In folder 1 inside folder 1-1 and inside that folder 1-1-1. Okay, and here folder 1, folder 1-2 and here folder 2, again folder 2-1. Okay, and folder 3 and folder 3-1 and folder 3-1-1. Okay, so this is the way to go into the all subdirectories into in a directory. Okay, using the Python script. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhiyanvi Tutorials for more such amazing Python videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.